So just take a call on that, whether you really need to buy a new bike, that too very expensive, and if it's... What's up YouTube, how's it going guys? So it's been a long time. I have done some vlogs on this channel, so finally almost after 60 days I'm taking my CBR out for a ride. So this is not a review video or nothing about the CBR, so I just been a really long time that I've ridden the motorcycle. So let's roll, that's good. So as I told, this is not anything related to motorcycle. I just thought that I'll make a video sharing some information that I'm doing good now, and hope you guys are also doing good, because the country has gone through a very bad time. But certainly I want to talk about something very serious. So I told you I've been riding almost after 50 or 55 days. So I have been locked down even before the lockdown time, just because of the reason that I was suspecting myself to be in the second circle of a patient. I was being hopeful as well as being really careful at the same time. So lucky that nothing happened. But yeah, our country has gone through a really bad phase, and not just country, the world has gone through a really bad phase now. But as far as the news and things are concerned, what I see is that the lockdown is getting over and people are just going to come out like the 3:30 school bell. So what I wanted to tell you guys is, like, don't just venture out immediately, because it's not all over yet. So you have to be very careful. We have to take precautions now also. The government has no other way than easing up the lockdown, because the economy is very down. So they have to open up things to bring back the government at least. So the people are truly fucked up, no doubt about it. There are a few things when you look at the lockdown. So the lockdown has made the economic system very bad. If you see, the rich will get more rich and the poor will go more poor. But all I wanted to say you guys is, like, don't just venture out for trips and all those things now, because the tourism industry is also going to up very soon. They want money, so they will attract us with more attractive prices and all those things. Unfortunately, those things are like undeniable. You see, all the room booking applications and all the tourist things are going to be cheaper now. So we might feel that, okay, we can go out and explore things, and you might think that, okay, you are young, no problem in going out, but don't do that. This virus is like crazy. I really don't know how I managed to lock myself down for almost 55 days. People who know me was asking that how did I manage. To be honest, I have to tell you that I didn't have any problem in locking myself down. So first thing is, like, I'm not riding. That was the main problem in the beginning, because I don't go out. I don't say that I don't meet people. Most of the time I don't like it. I'm not that kind of a guy who attracts energy in the group. I can stay happy all the time in staying inside home. I can just simply stay inside my home and stay happy with my things. So I think that thing helped me a lot while sitting at the home. I was doing, you guys know that I'm an IT engineer, so I stay inside, I can work. After that, I was finding my own time in learning new things. Not that great, but researched on things which I've never done on. And I was learning few skills in photography. I didn't go out, but still I was browsing through few things. I wanted to take good photographs. So I believe that for the next 6 months to 1 year, we have to be in this kind of a lifestyle, not meeting new people and having contact with others. So if you are going out in public, that too where more people come, then you have to be very careful and take a decision whether you want to go or not. So you can absolutely go to some place which is very nearby, not so far, and be yourself, and if you can find peace in that will be absolutely fine, because you have zero human interactions. So that will work good. But don't try to share motorcycles, helmets especially, and all those very personal things, because this bugger virus is a real fucker. We cannot continue all this lockdown and for a very long time, because as I told, the poverty is going to hit the country very soon. And if you are watching this video, and I have to say that you and me are fortunate enough to not get that much affected at this point in time, because there are a lot many people who are like sleeping on the street, and those people are having a really bad time than us. In the sense, yeah, we are in a very good shape. But being an IT engineer, what I have to say that we are enjoying the good things that we did a couple of months back, because that's how the engineering system works. We always get the revenue from 2-3 quarters behind. So the IT industry and all those things are going to get affected in next quarter. So everyone had to be really careful. Don't spend too much of money on unwanted things. you need money now, because if you are getting infected and you have to treat yourself, I know whether the government will take care of it, but still, just be careful. Don't spend money on too much of things which is not really caring for you. So just take a call on that, whether you really need to buy a new bike, that too very expensive, and if it's going to scrape off all your savings, then just hold on with it. That's what I have to say. Yeah, I know that I'm a reviewer, I'm not a marketing guy, so I don't have to market you all the motorcycles. I have to say what I have to say. Just save money, that's all. And if the vaccine is coming in, then good, but we don't know whether the vaccine is going to be free, because the demand will be more. The whole world is waiting for the vaccine, so demand is more people are looking for it, so definitely there will be a price tag which will be more, where it could be affordable to rich people first, rich or even beyond that, whatever you want to call it. And if this lockdown system and all those things is going for a long time, then probably there won't be a middle class people. Either they'll go to rich or they'll go to poor section. So then again, it takes a lot of time to manufacture it cheaply, and the vaccine will come to everyone in the world. So one thing I'm happy about is, like, you see all these things. I mean, I have never seen all these kind of flowers in summer. The environment has taken up good. I can see a lot of greenery around me, because this is the first day I'm going out, okay? I mean, I don't know, I was feeling really bad for it, because even I can't see a sunrise or a sunset from my flat. I have a balcony, but my balcony opens to someone else's balcony, so it's really a bad situation. You know that. So I love sunsets, I love sunrise, but I really didn't got anything for the past 2 months, which is like really depressing for me. But I was keeping myself up watching all the YouTube videos of sunset and all the things. I know that my mental health will also go bad if I just keep myself inside, even without riding motorcycles, because this is kind of therapy for me, riding motorcycles. I'm sure that almost all of you guys will be having that kind of feel. So the best part is, yes, the nature has cured. Environmentalists are telling that this is a nature's balancing act, but I cannot take it that it's a nature's balancing act. Yeah, it has balanced, I can say that, but I don't know the conspiracy theories which has been circling around China. But yes, many countries are looking onto it. We can see the news about it in maybe near future. Don't worry about it. Definitely, if something is scripted, then definitely it is going to be uncovered soon. But my humble request is, don't just show hate in the comment section. I mean, blaming China or the ruling party or the opposition party, don't do that. If it's something related to religion or politics, I have to delete that comment. And if you are abusing someone else, then I have to block you. I'm sorry to say that, but yeah, I had to do that because this channel is all about motorcycles. We want to keep love in this channel, not any other bullshit. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to give you too much of gyan. I think I'm giving you too much of advice, which is not good for me also. So just want to tell you that, take care guys, it's not going to be a good time even after lockdown. I'm not trying to scare you up, but just be prepared for it. Be inside your home as much as you can if possible. But if you have to go out for your work, definitely take good precautions, that's all. Stay away from people. Just going out doesn't mean that you are going to hug everyone that you see on the road, right? So just keep some 1 meter away from everyone you see, and if you can work in that manner, that's a good thing. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. Don't ride too fast in this time, because the hospitals are flooded with all these corona patients. If you meet with an accident, then probably you have to be treated with all those people. And of course the healthcare system is already swamped with all the corona patients. So why do you risk yourself in going out and meeting with an accident? You can absolutely ride your motorcycles, that's perfectly fine, but the thing is, just be careful. Don't take it too fast. That's my take, because I know that your adrenaline level will be too high. You're just like, I want to ride the motorcycle. So I know that feel, but don't push it too much. I see a lot of idiots on the road today, more than what I used to see before. The reason is because probably people have lost the touch of driving or riding, so they're just simply switching from one lane to another without looking onto the mirror or without indicators. So that's one thing. And second thing is, like, those who are riding on the road before, they are like riding without any rules. These two category people are like very scary on road, so just be careful. Don't get into any road rage or anything. So I know that I'm making too much of advices in this video. You don't want to do that. I just want to say hi to everyone. So stay safe, that's it. So hope you like the video, and as always, show some love in the form of likes and comments. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.